How to remove friends from close friends list on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, go ahead and open Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you open the Instagram application, all you have to do is simply log in or sign up to your Instagram account. So once you're logged into your account, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And once you're inside your profile section, tap on the three line icon at the top right corner. And once you're inside settings and activity, go ahead and scroll below. Then under who can see your content, simply tap on close friends. Just like so, you'll then be able to find the close friend that you have on your Instagram. If you would like to remove some friends, you want to go ahead and unselect them. Just like so, tap on done. And just like that, you'll then be able to remove friends from close friends list on Instagram. Well, that's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.